Mitsubishi has published a teaser of a mysterious Ralliart Concept car that will premiere at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2022 on January 14. While the automaker didn't reveal which model is serving as a base for the concept, they stated that its styling will express the company's vision for the new Ralliart. The teaser shows a very large diffuser covering most of the rear bumper, with F1-style LED lights integrated at the center and the Ralliart badge on the right side. While all of us would love this to be the rear end of a Lancer Evo, sadly this won't happen and it will in all likelihood be a high-riding model instead. The company says that the Ralliart concept brings together Mitsubishi Motors' engineering and passion for craftsmanship, coming with a premium feel and a strong sense of presence. The design of the tailgate appears to be quite similar to the new generation Outlander, and even though the bumper is different, we wouldn't be surprised if this concept served as a preview for the performance flagship of the SUV. Judging from the lack of visible tailpipes, the concept could be fitted with either a fully electric or a plug-in hybrid powertrain with its exhaust hidden. Last May, Mitsubishi officially announced Ralliart's return, while a few weeks ago they unveiled a series of Ralliart-branded accessories for the Pajero Sport and Triton in Thailand, but it seems that the time has come for a proper Ralliart-branded vehicle. Besides the Ralliart concept, Mitsubishi will also reveal a fully electric K-car concept, previewing a production vehicle that will debut close to April 2022, as a sister model to Nissan's upcoming EV. It will combine the compact size and maneuverability of K-cars with EV performance, while featuring advanced driver assistance systems and connectivity.